Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Iqbal. My ID number F2019109033. The topic of presentation is Bessel interpolation formula. First of all, we discuss the history of interpolation formula. The word of interpolation originates from the Latin verb interpolare, a contraction of inter meaning between and polar meaning to polish. It seems that the word was introduced in the English literature for the first time around 1612 and was then used in the sense of the alter or enlarge by interaction of new matter. Simpson and Venner in 1989. The original Latin word appears to have been used the first mathematical sense by Wallace in his 1655 books on infinitesimal arithmetic. Washinger 19 to 1904. J. Willis 1972. Sir Adam Whittaker, a professor of numerical mathematics at the University of Edinburgh from 1913 to 1923, observed the most common form of interpolation occur when we look the data from a table which does not have the exact value we want. The general problem of interpolation consists then the representing a function of known and unknown in the form of chosen in advance with the aid of the given value which is the function take more the definite value if independent variables. J. Washinger 1966. A number of different methods have developed to construct useful interpolation formula for evenly and unevenly spaced point. Newton divided difference formula, Lagrange formula, and central difference formula are developed. In 1812, Gauss delivered a lecture on interpolation, the substance of which was recorded by his student. In 1830, who first published it not until almost 2 decades later. In the course of 19th century, two more formulas closely related to Newton's Gauss were developed. The first appeared in the paper of Bessel 1824 on computing the motion of moon and was published by him because, in his own words, he could not recollect having seen it anywhere. The formula is however equivalent to one of Newton in his method of differential, which is the second central difference formula discussed by Stirling 1719 and has therefore been called Newton-Bessel formula. For the derivation of Bessel's formula, we need a third Gauss formula. To derive the third Gauss formula, we advance the subscript Gauss backward formula by 1 unit and replacing P by P minus 1, then we obtain the Bessel formula. Now we discuss theorem. Statement is that by using a Gauss forward and backward formula of interpolation to prove the Bessel formula, which is given as y is equal to y naught plus y1 over 2 plus p into minus 1 over 2 del y naught plus so on. For the proof of Bessel formula, we need two more formulas like Gauss forward and Gauss backward formula. Gauss forward formula is given as y is equal to y naught plus p del y naught plus p into p minus 1 over 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus so on. Similarly, we have Gauss backward formula is given as y is equal to y naught plus p del y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 over 2 factorial into p del square y minus 1 plus so on. Now we shift the origin of p from 0 to 1 and replace p is in the backward formula. So now we start backward formula from y is equal to y1 plus p minus 1 del y naught plus p into p minus 1 del square y naught over 2 factorial. When we add equation number 1 and 3 and take the common according to the power of operator, then we have this result. 2y is equal to y naught plus y1 plus p minus 1 plus del y naught plus so on. When we divide it by 2, then we have a final result like as y is equal to y naught plus y1 over 2 plus p into p minus p into 1 minus 1 over 2 del y naught plus p into p minus 1 over 2 factorial del square y naught plus del square y minus 1 over 2 plus so on. This is called Weather's formula. If we put s is equal to p minus 1 over 2, then we have p is equal to s plus 1 over 2, and the Weather's formula reduces to more symmetrical form, like as y is equal to y naught plus y1 over 2 plus s del y naught plus into s square minus 1 over 4 over 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus del square y naught over 2, like as here. If we put p is equal to s plus 1 over 2 and p s plus 1 over 2 minus 1, then we have a final result s square minus 1 over 4 over 2, and similarly we can find this formula. If p greater than 0 or less than 1, the Bessel formula is preferable. However, it will give more accurate relatively value when interpolating near the middle of the interval 1 over 4 less than p and p less than 3 over 4. If we put p is equal to 1 over 2, then we get a special case of Bessel formula, like as y is equal to 1 over 2 plus y square plus y1 minus 1 over 8 del square y minus 1 plus del square y naught plus so on. Similarly, if we put p is equal to 1 over 2, then it becomes 0. It will become 0. Similarly, we have the final result. Now we discuss the example. Using Bessel formula to find the value of y25 is given by y20 is equal to 2845, y24 is equal to 3162, y28 and y33. Now we solve it. X is equal to 20, 24, 28, 32, and y is equal to 28, 44, 54, so on. We want to find the value of 25, or 25 is between 24 and 25. So we take the x naught is equal to 24 because it is close the 25. So we find the value of p. P is equal to x minus x naught over h. 25 minus 24 over 4. So then we have the value of p is 0.25. Now we have formula y is equal to y naught plus y1 over 2 plus p minus 1 over 2 del y naught square, so on. So we find the value of del y naught, del square y naught, del square y minus 1, del cube y minus 1. So we can find these values similarly as del y naught is equal to y1 minus y naught. We can find the del y like as, and del square y minus 1 like as, and del cube y minus 1 like as. Then we put the value in this formula and we have the final result 3250.8. Now we discuss example number 2. The area of a circle and diameter d is given the following table. D is equal to x, if d is equal to 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and area is given as 50, 26, 26, 56, 5, 6, 4, 7, and so on. We have Bessel formula like as, then we find the value of del y naught, del square y minus 1, del square y, del cube y minus 1. So we can construct a central difference table and we find these values. We can find these values like as del y naught is equal to y minus y naught, del square y minus 1 is equal to, and del cube y minus 1, and del 4 y minus, and put these value in this formula which is given as, that we can find this final result 65 0.4.1248 square unit. Now we discuss the application of the interpolation formula. The primary use of interpolation is to help the user by the sentence. Interpolation is frequently used to scale the image and to convert a sampling rate of a digital signal. It shows that the eigencondition of a differential equation describing some kind of a transform transfer process allows an exact solution expressed by the Bessel function. For that purpose, a wide range literature survey covering the modeling of transfer process in the chemical engineering and the other related fields. A spring is an elastic object used to store the mechanical energy. In the case of mechanical spring, there is a spring load and deflection graph. So interpolation is used to find the unknown value of deflection. Interpolation is also used to study the breast cancer. Interpolation is helpful whenever you have to scale things up and down. Now we discuss the advantage of the interpolation. Most easily to understand, will not produce the estimate value outside the measurement. There is no need to integrate or differentiate of a given table. It is the type of central Bessel formula is the type of central difference formula, so we just need the entries near the central lines. We can easily find it just by using the Gauss forward and backward interpolation formula. Now we discuss the disadvantages of this formula. There are always a chance to committing some error. The calculation provided no check whether a functional value is used to be taken correctly or not. This formula is very lengthy, so it is not easy to learn by heart. The application of this formula is not speedy. As compared with Lagrange interpolation formula, Bessel interpolation formula need more operators. Thanks.